Hej Josat, det er din onkel Stefus. Hjerteligt tillykke med fødselsdagen. Jeg håber du har en dejlig dag med kys og kram og kærlighed og alt hvad der ser til, når man fylder 1 år. Jeg kan ikke være hos dig i dag, men jeg har valgt at spille en lille sang for dig i stedet for, som jeg håber du kan lide. Josie, it's your birthday. God bless you this day. You gave me the gift of your pretty smile, and I'm proud that I can say, Josie, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Josie. Josie, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Josie. I wish you love and goodwill. I wish you praise and joy. I wish you better than your heart desired, and your first kiss from a boy. Josie, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Josie. Josie, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Josie. Happy birthday, Josie. Happy birthday, Josie. Have a wonderful day. You're turning 1 year old. I just one hell of an age. Happy birthday, Josie. God bless you this day. You gave us the gift of your pretty smile, and we're all proud that we can say happy birthday. Tillykke med fødselsdagen, Josef. Hej.